So storage. Storage is also one of the important component of cloud computing architecture. Okay. So storage provide huge amount of storage capacity in the cloud to store and manage the data. Okay. Whatever data we are storing on cloud, that facility is managed by this component, storage component. Okay. It consists of various servers, collection of servers. Okay. Now see, the next component of cloud computing architecture is infrastructure. So infrastructure is a combination of hardware and software components, or hardware or software components such as servers, so storage, network devices, virtualization software, and other storage resources. Okay, which resources required to support cloud computing? That resources are provided by infrastructure. Okay, so infrastructure provides services on the host level, application level, and network level. Okay, so now see, Zoom. Okay, this Zoom is a application level service provided by the cloud. Okay, Zoom is also one of the example of cloud computing, and Zoom is one application. So it is an application level service provided by the cloud. Okay, now see, the next component of cloud computing architecture is management. Okay, so management is used to manage the component such as application, service, runtime cloud, storage infrastructure, and other security issues in backend, and establish coordination between them. Okay, so management is also one of the most important component of cloud computing architecture. So management component is responsible for managing these all facilities, all services in the backend. Okay, their security issues, then their coordination. Okay, coordination between them. This all the services are managed by this management component. Okay, so this component work in a backend. Okay, so the next component of cloud computing architecture is security. Okay, so security is responsible for providing security to backend and front end of cloud computing architecture. Okay, it implements the security mechanism in cloud. Okay, now the next component is internet. So the internet is medium through which front end and back end can interact and communicate with each other. As we have seen that the cloud computing architecture, it consists of two main parts: client infrastructure, that is front end, and back end. Okay, so in back end there are application, service, runtime cloud, storage and infrastructure, management, and security. Okay, so these all included into the back end, where client infrastructure is a front end. So internet is the component which establish the communication between this front end and back end. Okay, so internet is a medium between this front end and back end. Through internet, this cloud front end and cloud back end interact with each other. Okay, understood? So see, we have seen these 9 components which are related to cloud computing architecture. Which are these components? First is a client infrastructure, which consists of front end. Okay, then application, service, runtime cloud, storage, infrastructure, security management, and security. Okay, now see, this is about cloud computing architecture. Okay, understood? Next, types of cloud computing. Okay, so we'll see the cloud types. So there are 4 types of cloud. Okay. Here only 3 types are given, but there are 4 types of cloud: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. Okay. So first we'll see the public cloud. What is public cloud actually? So as the name public, okay, the public cloud is open to all to store and access information via internet using the pay-per-uses method. Okay, public cloud is open to all types of user. Okay, so all types of user can access that public cloud according to their need, and they can pay as per they using that cloud. Okay, so in public cloud, computing resources are managed and operated by the cloud service provider. Okay, here CSP, cloud service provider, manages all the computing resources. Okay, now see, the examples of public cloud are IBM Smart Cloud Enterprise, Microsoft Google App Engine, Windows Azure Services Platform, then Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2. Okay, now see, Google Drive is also included in public cloud. Okay, it is an example of public cloud. Google App Engine, it is also one of the example of public cloud. Okay, any kind of user can access Google Drive, can create account on Gmail. Okay, Google Play Stores are there. Through the Play Store, we can download any kind of app which we want. Okay, so this is an example of public cloud. It is available to all types of user and it is open to all. Okay, now see some advantages of public cloud. Okay, so public cloud is owned at lower cost than private and hybrid cloud. Okay, now see here, if we take example of Google Drive. Okay, so we don't need to pay anything when we are using Google Drive. So on Google Drive, we can store up to 15 GB of data. Okay, the maximum size to upload data freely. Okay, without cost, we can upload 15 GB of data on Google Drive. Okay, but if we want to upload more data than 15 GB, then we have to pay. Okay, as per our data size, we have to pay. So the public cloud is affordable to all kinds of users because it having low cost. Okay, as compared to private and hybrid cloud. Okay, now see, second advantage is of public cloud is that public cloud is maintained by the cloud service provider. Okay, so we don't need to maintain that cloud. Okay, public cloud is maintained by the owner of that cloud. Okay, means Google Drive, Google App Engine, all is maintained by their owner. Okay, so we did not require to provide maintenance to this cloud service. Okay, so this is one of the advantage of public cloud. Then public cloud is easier to integrate, hence it offers better flexibility approach to consumer. Okay, it is easy to integrate. Then public cloud is location independent. Okay, because the services are delivered from public cloud are delivered through internet. Okay, public cloud services delivered through internet, we can access public cloud through internet. That's why it is platform independent. Okay, or location independent. Okay, so public cloud, next advantage is public cloud is highly scalable as per the requirement of computing resources. Okay, it is highly scalable. Why? Why the public cloud is highly scalable? Public cloud is highly scalable because it offers free service. Okay. So because of its free service, it is popular in users. So large number of users can use this public cloud. That's why public cloud is more scalable. Okay. The next advantage of public cloud is that so the next advantage of public cloud is it is accessible by the general public. So there is no limit to number of users. Okay. Now see, again we will take here example of Google Cloud. Sorry, Google Drive. Okay. Google Drive is included in Google Cloud. So Google Drive, there are number of users for Google Drive. Anyone can use Google Drive, okay, for storing their data. So Google Drive is accessible by general public. Okay. So these are the advantages of Google public cloud. Now we'll see some disadvantages of public cloud. As it is public cloud, that's why it is less secure. Okay. Because resources are shared publicly. That's why it is less secure. Then the performance of public cloud is depend upon high speed internet network link. Okay. If the speed of internet is high, then the speed of public cloud is more. So performance of public cloud is depend upon the high speed internet network link between the cloud service provider. Okay. Then the client has no control of data. In public cloud, client cannot control the data. Okay. So these are some disadvantages of cloud. Okay. Public cloud. Now, public cloud is less customizable. Why? Why public cloud is less customizable? Public cloud is less customizable. Why? Because it supports multi-tenant approach. Okay, multi-tenant means what? It provides facility to multiple users. Okay, there are large number of users of public cloud, so this is called as multi-tenant. So the public cloud does not provide users to modify the structure of itself, okay, according to their need. So because of this nature of public cloud, it is not popular in some organization, because organization are having their own some needs. Okay. So public cloud is less customizable for such type of organizations. Okay. So this is about public cloud. Now we'll see about private cloud. Okay. Now see, private cloud is related to the group of some selected users. Okay. And private cloud is also known as internal cloud or corporate cloud. Okay. Then private cloud provides computing service to a private internal network. Okay. Means within an organization, it can provide services. Okay. And selected users. Okay. Instead of general public, it provides services to the selected users. So because of this nature of private cloud, it is highly secure as compared to public cloud, as the services are available to limited peoples. Okay. Private cloud provides services to the limited group of peoples, or within an organization it provides services. That's why it is highly secure cloud. Okay. So that's why it is called as internal cloud or corporate cloud. Okay. So how private cloud provides security? So for achieving security mechanism, private cloud provides that the high level of security and privacy data through firewalls and internal hosting. Okay. So private cloud also ensures that operational and sensitive data are not accessible to third party providers. Okay. So private cloud uses firewall and internal hosting for providing security. Okay. So HP data center is one of the example of private cloud. Okay. Ubuntu is also one of the example of private cloud. Okay. So we can say that private cloud is highly secure cloud. Okay. So we'll see some advantages of private cloud. Okay. So first example is more control. So private cloud have more control over their resources and hardware than public cloud, because the private cloud is accessible to only limited users or selected users. Okay. Then second advantage is security and privacy. As we have seen that private cloud includes only limited number of peoples. Okay. So that's why it is highly secure and data is maintained privately. Okay. So third advantage of private cloud is improved performance. Okay. So in case of speed and space capacity, private cloud offers better performance. Okay. It offers better performance than public cloud. Okay. Now see, there are some disadvantages of private cloud are also. First disadvantage is high cost. Okay. Private cloud having high cost as compared to public cloud, because setup and maintain hardware resources are costly. Okay. Then second disadvantage is that restricted area of operations. Okay. As we know that private cloud is accessible within the organization only. So the area of operation is limited. Okay. Limited scalability. Now, private clouds are scaled within the capacity of internet hosted resources. Okay. Then fourth number of then the next disadvantage of private cloud is skilled people can use this cloud only. Okay. We required some peoples who having some special skills to manage and operate the cloud services. Okay. To handle private clouds, we required the peoples who are highly skilled. Okay. So this is about private cloud. Now we'll see about hybrid cloud. Okay. So hybrid cloud. Now see, hybrid cloud is a combination of two or more clouds, but combination of public and private cloud. Okay. So the main aim of this combination is to create a unified, automated, and well-managed computing environment. Okay. In the hybrid cloud, non-critical activities are performed by the public cloud and critical activities are performed by the private cloud. Okay. So the aim to design hybrid cloud is that we have to achieve the public cloud facilities also and private cloud facilities also. We have to combine both the facilities if we want to get facilities provided by the both clouds. Then we have to use hybrid cloud. Okay. So mainly the hybrid cloud is used in finance, then healthcare and universities. Okay. So the best hybrid cloud provider companies are Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Cisco, and NetApp. Okay. So hybrid cloud provides the functionalities of public cloud as well as private cloud. Private cloud. Okay. So there are some advantages of hybrid cloud. First, flexible and secure. Okay. Now see, hybrid cloud provides flexible resources because of the public cloud and secure resources because of private cloud. As the hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private cloud, that's why it provides flexible resources because of public cloud and provides security because of security to the resources because of private cloud. Okay. Then second one is a cost effective. Hybrid cloud are cost effective as the cost of hybrid cloud is less as compared to private cloud. Okay. So that's why it is a cost effective. It saves the cost for both infrastructure and application support. Okay. Now, Sri, the third advantage of hybrid cloud is that security. Okay. Hybrid cloud is secure. Okay. Because the critical activities are performed by private cloud. Okay. The next advantage of hybrid cloud is risk management. Hybrid cloud provides excellent way to companies to manage the disk. Okay. Then some disadvantage of hybrid cloud. Okay. First disadvantage is that networking issue. Okay. Now see, hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private cloud. Okay. So private cloud provides the services to selected users within an organization. So we can call private cloud as an internal cloud. Okay. Whereas public cloud provides the services over the internet. Okay. So hybrid cloud is a combination of both the clouds. So the networking complications are there. Okay. Networking become more complex because of this combination. Then second, infrastructure compatibility. This is this is the disadvantage of hybrid cloud. Now see, this is the major issue in hybrid cloud, infrastructure compatibility. Why? Because in the hybrid cloud, dual levels of infrastructure. Okay. Private cloud controls the company and public cloud does not. Okay. So there is a possibility that these two cloud can run separately. Okay. So infrastructure compatibility is one of the disadvantage of hybrid cloud. Then third disadvantage is reliability. Now see, the reliability of services depend upon the cloud service providers. Okay. This is the disadvantage of hybrid cloud. Okay. Now the fourth cloud not mentioned here, that is community cloud, but that cloud, we'll see the community cloud. Community cloud is the cloud infrastructure that allows system and services to be accessible by the group of several organizations to share the information. Okay. Now see, private cloud provides services to one organization only, But if sometime more organization want to share a cloud, okay? Suppose there are four to five organization want to share one cloud, okay? Same cloud they want to share. Then they can use the community cloud, okay? So the community cloud is owned, managed, and operated by one or more organizations in the community, okay? Means community of organization, okay? It is a community cloud, okay? So that community can manage that cloud, or they can use third party to manage that cloud, okay? Now see, example of community cloud is our government organizations within India, okay? Our government organization within India may share computing infrastructure in the cloud to manage the data, okay? So there are some advantages of community cloud. First is a cost effective, okay? Why it is cost effective? Because more organizations, means one or more organizations are using the community cloud, so it is cost effective. Then it is flexible and scalable. Then it provides security. Then sharing infrastructure. These are the advantages of community cloud. And but there are some disadvantages also. Community cloud is not a good choice for every organization, okay? Then slow adaptation to data. Then the fixed amount of data storage and bandwidth is shared among the all community member, okay? Then the next disadvantage is that community cloud is costly than public cloud, okay? And sharing responsibility among the organization is difficult in community cloud, okay? So these are the four types of clouds, okay? Public cloud, hybrid cloud, private cloud, and community cloud, okay? So these are the types of cloud. Now we'll see the components of cloud, okay? Or we can say these are the cloud delivery models, cloud service delivery models.